All right, for problem number 22, it says if gamma equals beta and alpha equals 3 times beta, find all three angles. So this is kind of more of a systems of equation thing. So what do I know about alpha, beta, gamma? Well, I know that alpha, actually, I'm going to rewrite it over here because I suspect we're going to use that for problem 24 as well. I know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? 180 degrees. So this is going to be 180 degrees, okay? So then I also am told that gamma is equal to beta. So I'm also told that alpha is equal to 3 times beta. So I'm going to take this whole thing and rewrite it, but I'm going to do some substitutions. And I suspect when I'm done, I'm going to have a bunch of betas, and then I could solve for beta and work backwards, okay? So let's figure out what beta is first. So this is alpha, but we're being told that alpha is equal to 3 times beta, okay? So that I'm just replacing this alpha with this, all right? Plus, so that is really like, this is like alpha, right? Plus, beta is just beta, plus, now normally we would put gamma here, but instead of gamma, what we're going to do is we're going to substitute in another beta. And then all three of these are equal to 180 degrees. All right, so before I go any further, aside from my somewhat sloppy handwriting, does that make sense? Okay, are there any questions? I'm substituting in these different values. Wherever there's a gamma, I put beta. Wherever there's supposed to be an alpha, I put 3 beta. Well, how many beta do I have total? So if I add this up, this is an implied 1, this is an implied 1, 1 plus, I don't know, it's 5. I lost track of what I was saying. So it's 5 beta. Is equal to 180. So then I divide both sides by 5. This is why we do the algebra review. So then beta is equal to what? What's 180 divided by 5? I don't know. So I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator. Actually, I do know, but it's okay. If I don't know the answer, I can use a calculator. On the SAT, you can use a calculator. Not always. Wait. I think they're shifting this year. If you do the online version, it's all calculated. So let me get back here. So it was 36. So we know beta is 36, but what we don't know is what is alpha. Well, alpha is equal to 3 times beta. So we need to know what 3 times 36 is. 18 plus 90, I'm going to guess it's 108. But let's see. 36 times 3. Think this is a game? I don't know why you're here today. I'm here to do math. Nothing? Okay. All right. Tough crowd. All right. So it is 108. So it's going to be alpha is equal to 108 what? Degrees. Sorry. Mr. Adams has been lacking there. So then gamma is just equal to beta, which is also 36 degrees. Now, how can I double check and make sure that I'm doing this right? Add it all up, and if I add it all up, what? Yeah, it should equal 180, right? So this is beta, this is alpha. Why is it doing it like that? This is alpha, and this is, why does it keep doing that? And this is gamma. All right, so I'll add it all up on, maybe I will. There we go. So if I say 36 plus 36 plus 108 It adds up to 180. All right, so let's jump back. Does that make sense to you guys? All right, so let's do this next one. Now, 24, it has some decimals, but it's basically the same thing. What we're going to do is we're gonna say, remember the alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180. Perfectly drawn 180. Now, wherever there's an alpha, I'm going to plug in 105.6 degrees plus beta plus gamma, which is 13.2 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. I'm going to combine like terms, right? So I'm going to add 105.6 plus 13.2, 105.6 plus 13.2. That's 118.8. 118.8 degrees plus beta is equal to 180. I'm going to subtract 118.8 from both sides. How long do you think I'm going to complain about calibrating my tablet before I actually calibrate it? I'm going to guess at least a month and a half. Minus 180. Oh, shoot. 180 minus 118.8. 61.2. Is that what you guys got? So beta equals 61.2. Okay. Any questions? Does that help? How do you guys feel about this? Could you do this on a test in a week or so, or 2 weeks?